Yo, listen. This is how to meditation and clean your brain from useless thoughts.
1. Breath awareness meditation, like giving your busy brain a mini vacation. Get comfy, sit or lie down. Close your eyes and gently pay attention to your breath moving in and out. Notice how your belly rises and falls, or the air tickling your nostrils. Your mind will wander, totally normal. When it does, just softly guide it back to your breath, no scolding. It's like sitting by a river, watching thoughts drift by while you stay anchored to your breathing. Super simple, deeply calming. 2. Loving kindness meditation. Metta, sending warm hugs to yourself plus the world. Start by placing a hand on your heart, if it feels nice. Silently repeat kind wishes like, may I be happy, may I be safe, may I be at peace. Then, bring to mind someone you love and send them those same wishes. Gradually extend it to strangers, tricky people, and finally all living beings. You're basically filling your heart with little love beams. It's like emotional sunshine, especially great when you feel low on kindness for yourself or others. 3. Walking meditation, mindfulness but make it moving. Too fidgety to sit still. Try this. Walk slowly, like you're moving through honey. Feel each tiny part of the step, heel lifting, foot floating forward, toes gently touching earth. Notice the breeze, bird songs, or how your arms swing. You're not going anywhere special, just tuning into the miracle of movement. Perfect for a park stroll or pacing your room. 4. Body scan meditation, a gentle tour of your own body. Lie down and mentally scan yourself from toes to head. Notice places that feel tense, warm, heavy, or relaxed. No fixing, just noticing. Breathe into tight spots like shoulders or your jaw. It's like giving each body part a tiny whisper, I see you. You can rest now. Amazing for melting stress or falling asleep peacefully. 5. Guided meditation, like a friend talking you through calm. Pop in headphones, find a soothing voice. Apps like Calm or YouTube are great, and let them lead you. They might take you through a forest, a beach, or just help you breathe deeper. 0 effort, you just relax and follow. Perfect for beginners, or when your brain feels too chatty to quiet down alone. 6. Mindfulness meditation, being present without the pressure. Sit quietly and notice whatever pops up, thoughts, feelings, sounds, like clouds drifting across the sky. Don't judge or chase them, just softly observe. If worries come, say, oh, that's a thought, and let it pass. It's practice in being gentle with your own mind, helpful when you feel overwhelmed or stuck in your head. 7. Visualization meditation, daydreaming with purpose. Close your eyes and imagine a place that makes you feel safe and happy. A sunlit meadow, a cozy cabin, floating on a cloud. Picture it vividly, colors, smells, sounds, or imagine warm light filling your body, healing and relaxing you. It's like hitting the mental reset button. Great for anxiety or sparking creativity. 8. Mantra meditation, quieting the mind with soft sound. Pick a calming word or phrase, like peace, I am calm, or even, silently repeat it with each breath. Let the rhythm soothe you. It's like giving your mind a soft lullaby to focus on, especially if silence feels too intense. 9. Zazen, Zen meditation, simple stillness, deep presence. Sit cross-legged or in a chair, back straight but relaxed, eyes half open, softly gazing downward. Focus on breathing deeply into your belly. When thoughts come, notice them without following them. It's not about emptying your mind. It's about sitting quietly with whatever is. Deeply grounding and centering. 10. Chakra meditation, for the spiritually curious. Picture 7 colorful wheels of energy, chakras, along your spine, from your tailbone to the crown of your head. Breathe into each one, imagining them glowing brighter with each breath, like tuning up your inner light system. Very nurturing if you love symbolic or energy-based healing. The cozy takeaway, there's no right way, only your way. Start small, 3-5 minutes a day is plenty. Be kind when your mind drifts. It's not failing, it's practicing. Try a few styles and stick with what feels like a soft sigh for your soul. You've got this. Meditation isn't about becoming a different person. It's about making friends with the person you already are. A wise and friendly reminder.